Hello everyone, I'm Edward Wang, CEO of JWEI. While Chinese New Year is coming, I'd like to give you my sincere greetings from JWEI headquarter. Looking back at 2024, the past year was a year of transformation for JWEI. We are committed to reform and innovation, completed the reorganization, and implemented a series of very important projects like IPD, CRM, MES, etc., guided by digital JWEI strategy, and brought more advanced solutions to our customers in various industries around the world. Looking forward to 2025, it is exciting. Customer success, innovation-driven will be our theme of year 2025. We will still work hard to make JWEI's customers more successful through our products and services empowered by innovation. Thank you for your trust, support, and choice of JWEI. I wish you all good health and wealth with all your loved ones, a more successful 2025.